How are you doing today? You're doing great. Outstanding. Today we're going to do a pronunciation practice video. Are you ready? It's pretty simple. We're gonna analyze the sounds of the letter E. E. Do you know the sounds of the letter E? Yes, they're very simple, right? Okay. Now, I've grouped some words so we can analyze the sounds of the letter E. Let's look at these words. Look at this word. The word begins with an E. Eight. Eight. You can repeat after me. Eight. Ballet. Repeat. Ballet. Ballet. Chevrolet. It's not Chevrolet. It's not Chevrolet. It's not, okay, it's not Chevrolet. It's Chevrolet. Chevrolet. Very good. Now, so here it sounds kind of like an A. A. Repeat. Pet. Pet. Met. Met. 10. 10. Hen. Hen. If you don't know the meaning of these words, this time you are going to look them up. Look them up in the dictionary if you don't know the meaning of the words. Okay? So this is the pet, met, 10, hen, Very easy, right? Okay. Now, look at these words. Eat, eat, weak, weak, eat, compete, 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 eat, weak, compete. Very good. Now, notice the E at the end. When a word ends in an E, usually the E is silent. A lot of times it's silent, like here. Take. This E is silent. Okay? Like here. Compete. The E is silent. Poke. Poke. Oh, poke. The E is silent. Hike. Hike. Cute. Cute. This set of words, they end with the letter E, and the E is silent. So the E can be silent. It can sound, it has the sound of E. It has the sound of E. It has the sound of A. A, E, silent. Now, let's look at some word endings. When it ends with an L and E, look at this. Turtle, turtle. Repeat. Turtle, hurdle, hurdle. Oops. Puddle, puddle, puddle. Okay? Here you're going to pronounce the L. Aquí es como que se pronunciara la L, pero van a jalar la lengua hacia atrás. Oh, oh. Cuando ven la L y la E es así. Turtle. Como que pronuncian la L, pero jalan la lengua hacia adentro. Turtle. Puddle. Hurdle. ¿Vieron cómo? Ok. Turtle. Hacia adentro la lengua. Hurdle. Puddle. Very well, very well. Now look at this. Meter. Meter. This is the schwa sound. Este es el sonido del schwa, que puede ser representado por cualquier vocal. En este caso por la E. Meter. Meter. Center. Center. Water. 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 ¿Están viendo los diferentes sonidos que produce la letra E? Vamos a repasar de nuevo. A, E, I, O, center, water, meter. Okay. Heard, como si fuera una I corta. Ahora como si fuera una I corta, pero en esta ocasión representada por la letra E. Heard. Repeat. Heard. Heard. Earth. 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 Esta no se la sabían bien, ¿verdad? Heard. Earth. Como si fuera una I corta. Y finalmente, como si fuera la U. Fíjense el sonido que produce con la E y la W. Drew. Drew. Blue. Blue. El pasado de blow. Blue. Drew. Sonido de la U. Sonido de la I corta. Earth. Earth. Okay. Sonido del schwa. Center. Meter. Water. Sonido del schwa. Combinación con la L. Turtle. Hurdle. Puddle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Son 4 diferentes ahí. Y 4 arriba. Son 8. Okay? Let's summarize. A, E, I, silent, muda. O, meter, I, U. Excellent. Practiquen y practiquen leyendo todas estas palabras. Las voy a poner abajo en la descripción. Y repitan, y repitan, y repitan hasta que tengan bien la pronunciación de la letra E. Nos vemos hasta la próxima.